Lafayette Mayor President Josh Guillory is proposing changes to the parish's Unified Development Code.
Now, the code was adopted in 2015 as a rule book for zoning and development standards to be used by LCD departments. The goal was to simplify the process of development in the metro area. The code applies to the city of Lafayette and the unincorporated areas of the parish. The UDC was formed as part of Lafayette's comprehensive plan, putting the codes all in one place. Chris Welty tonight explains what changes could be coming and what it could mean for development. This story all new tonight at 10.
Can't afford to have project approvals that should take a week or less end up taking 6 months.
During his inaugural speech, Mayor President Josh Guillory said it's hard to do business in Lafayette Parish because of regulations. In his first month in office, he set up a task force to look at replacing the Unified Development Code.
We're going to go forward with this with a common sense solution. Maybe it takes 12 to 18 months to do this. We're going to keep what's good. That's fine. Don't throw out something that's good. But there's both a regulatory aspect of it and an implementation from the administration that we need to learn on how we can better serve developers, better serve business, and get businesses and jobs back to Lafayette. Get the government out the way and get the businesses back.
The primary driver for the UDC when it came to the city of Lafayette was how do we give people more choice?
Kevin Blanchard, who now works for a development company, worked in the Durrell administration and helped implement the code.
The UDC is written so as to give some amount of discretion to the LCG staff, to the planning commission, to the city council, so that they can deal with those one-off situations as they come, one case at a time. The work of the UDC, I'm sure, is always ongoing, and certainly as someone who is in the development community, there are definitely things that we should always be looking at, but repeal and replace would be a pretty big undertaking.
Looking at it from, is it a code issue or is it an implementation issue? If it's a code issue, then we fix that by ordinance. If it's an implementation issue, then I fix it in my own administration.
In Lafayette, Chris Welty, KETC TV3.
Checking state news now in New Orleans, a new tarp now